Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to make a video explaining how to find the area of a rectangle. This is something that'll work for rectangles as well as squares, any two-dimensional shape with four sides. And just to recap, a square is a four-sided shape where all four sides are equal lengths, and a rectangle is a four-sided shape where two sides are one length and two sides are another. So the basic equation is that area equals length times width. I've got a rectangle drawn here, and so the long end of a rectangle is called the length. In engineering terms, sometimes it's called the longitudinal direction. The width is simply the shorter side, or the transverse direction. So I've got an example drawn here. Let's say, for example, that you are a general contractor. You're building a wall. One side of the wall has drywall. The other side you've got to do yourself, and you need to know how much drywall to purchase in order to install it. So you know that the long side of the wall, the longitudinal direction, is 20 feet long, and the width, the transverse side, is 9.5 feet tall. How many square feet of drywall do you need to purchase? Well, simply you just calculate 20 times 9.5, and that should give you an answer of 190 square feet. So for example 2, let's say that you're a concrete contractor. You've got 5 footings that you're currently pouring, and you know that later in the day you're going to have some snow that hits. And so you need to purchase blankets to cover the footings and protect them from the snowfall so that the finish of your concrete doesn't get compromised. Well, as you talk to the superintendent, you look at the drawings, you realize that there's 5 footings total, and the sizes are as follows for each of those footings. So footing number 1, or footing size 1, is 15 feet long, it's 13.5 feet wide, and there's 2 of those. Footing number 2 there is 9.5 feet long, it's 8 feet wide, and there's 2 of those. And then footing number 3 is 10 feet long, 10 feet wide, and there's only 1 of those. So what's the total square footage that you need to cover all of the footings? So for the solution for example 2, all you're going to do is take each footing and break these down by footing. So footing number 1, you're going to multiply by 2 because there's 2 footing number 1s, times 15 for the length, times 13.5 for the width, and the total should equal 405 feet squared. Footing number 2, same thing, you're going to multiply by 2 because there's 2 footings, times 9.5 feet long, times 8 feet wide equals 152 feet squared. Footing number 3, multiply by 1 is the technical thing to do. You really don't have to. It'll give you the same answer. Times 10 feet long times 10 feet wide equals 100 feet squared. And so once you've got all those consistent square footages that are in consistent units, you can simply add them together. 405 plus 152 plus 100 equals 657 feet squared. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much.